Mabuhay everyone! I'm Rosa. This month we virtually celebrate the Lami-lamihan Festival where we get to see, hear, taste, feel, and even experience being in a fiesta. Lami-lamihan means merrymaking, and the festival celebrates the peace and harmony among the Yakans, Tausugs, Muslims, and Christians in Lamitan City. The City of Harmony, Lamitan, is a province of Basilan in Mindanao, and this festival showcases the rich culture of the Yakan tribe, its music, dance, crafts, and weave making. Now, before anything else, I would like to say thank you to the Philippine Consulate General in Melbourne for giving me this Fiesta kit and for inviting me to be part of the Fiesta Filipinas event.
Welcome to the islands. The smiles are set. The celebrations are waiting. The fiestas are here. The Department of Foreign Affairs, in partnership with the Department of Tourism and the National Commission for Culture and the Arts, proudly present Fiesta Filipinas, an online celebration of Philippine festivals.
Okay, I have my son Gabriel here.
Hello.
And he will help me to open the Fiesta Filipinas Lami-lamihan kit. What's inside? Are you ready?
Yep.
Or you help mommy? Ooh. Ah, okay. So we have here the invitation card. Okay.
What does it say?
Oh, it has the details for the Zoom meeting. Okay, now let's see what's here. Oh, make a Yakan weaving inspired embroidered card. Ooh, wow. Open it. Wee, what's this? Okay, so the first one is cassava chips. You like that?
Yeah.
And then next is peanut brittle. This is your favorite. Whenever we go
Is
to Baguio.
Oh yeah.
And what's this? It's milk chocolate.
Can I smell it?
It doesn't smell anything.
Ah.
And the last one is, what's this? Moringa shingaling. What is this? It's salt and vinegar flavor. Okay. You wanna try? You wanna try them?
Yes, please.
Which one do you wanna try first? This one?
Okay.
Cassava chips. We don't have any scissors. Sarap. Yummy. Ano pa ako isa?
It tastes kind of sweet.
Yeah. Okay. Next is
Nice one.
peanut brittle. Oh, this one is your favorite. Oh, remember this?
Yeah.
Oh, sige. Got it. Eh, why are you so small? Sarap, diba? Yummy. Milk chocolate.
Chocolate.
How do you open it? Ooh. Cut ko na.
Yeah. Oh.
How is it?
Mm.
Sarap? Ang sarap yun. It's like it's melting in your mouth. Right? Okay.
The last one.
Last one. Sarap. Moringa sinaling.
What's that?
It's like chips with
Oh, it's salt and vinegar.
salt and vinegar. Healthy.
Have some more?
It has moringa. Okay, so that's what's inside our kit. And later, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with this during the activity in the Zoom meeting. Okay, see you later.
Sayaw, sayaw, sumasayaw ang langit kay raming dahilan upang magdiwang tayo ay pinag-isa ng langit lupa, kalikasan at kultura.
Hello, 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 hello to all of our lovely guests who have joined us here today.
A lot of lovely visitas online. How are you all doing? Why don't you all turn on your camera so we see you right now? Visitas from all different, name it, they're all here.
All
Hello everyone.
over,
There we go.
all
We see
over.
everyone. Come on, make a big
Hi.
wave. Say hello
How
to
about a
us,
big wave,
visitas.
everyone?
All right.
Ooh, we're gonna have a virtual tour to Zamboanga and Lamitan.
Wondering how you'll get to Lamitan City to witness the Grand Lami-lamihan Festival? Well, let me take you on a quick side trip here in our gateway to the far south, Zamboanga City. Coming here by air, you can take regular ferry trips going to Lamitan City Port in just an hour or two. See how hassle-free this trip is, visitas? After all that, you're now set to enjoy the Lami-lamihan Festival. Just look at these vibrant vintas. These colorful boats are actually symbols of unity of different cultures within the city.
Why that? Why that? Why that? Why that? Whoa! Wow!
Rich aquaculture and indigenous products, it all makes for a rising economy to watch out for.
Just like the one over there.
Authentic Yakan music.
Shows.
Sounds,
This
yes.
kulintangan set here
Do you like
forms
the sounds?
rhythm of the
Oh.
traditional
you're
Yakan
dancing.
dances and rituals.
Yes, they're eating. Here is a beautiful Yakan cloth, and now it's time to make a Yakan weaving-inspired embroidered card. All you need is a pushpin and punching mat, blank cards, paper clips, needle, different colors of embroidery floss, and a pattern guide. Lay the pattern over the card and secure with paper clips. Over the punching mat, use the guide to punch the holes using the push pin. Once you're done, remove the guide and it should look like this. Separate 3 strands of embroidery floss and thread into the needle. Then cross-stitch the pattern into the punched-out holes on the card. This is my finished product. After making our artwork, it's now time to relax and enjoy the auditory.
Together they make a unique and catchy sound that makes you move in step with the dancers in the parade.
Wow, that was amazing. Para ka lang nag-teleport to Lamitan.
Why don't we all take a group photo,
It's gotta be
visitas?
done. It's gotta be done.
It has to happen. Everyone, come on. Turn on your cameras right now. It will not be a fiesta without the photos because as we all know, Filipinos love taking pictures as well. So please,
Particularly our friends in the LGU
Geo.
of Lamitan. They're all there. We are celebrating with them. Today is the actual celebration of Lami-lamihan out in Lamitan. So it's going to be fantastic to have a group photo from all over the world with our friends who hosted Child's Visit out in Zamboanga, Mindanao, Lamitan. All of our friends out in the south. Please turn on your cameras and let's all have a photo together.
okay, I see ASEC already ready. Everyone in the LGU Lamitan. Okay, everyone come close to your cameras. Here we go. Make sure to hold up something. Maybe it's the
Yeah.
Yakan weaving inspired embroidered
The famous
cards.
shingling.
The famous shingling, perhaps, or
peanut
chocolate
brittle,
even. The chocolate,
whatever
of
it is that
course.
you want to share with us, go ahead, or most importantly, flash your best Fiesta Filipinas smile so that we can capture this moment for posterity. Are you guys ready?
All right, you can even hold on your kits if you have it still close. Perfect. All right, why don't we all say Fiesta Filipinas, all right? Again, that's Fiesta Filipinas, and I'm going to do a countdown. Are you guys ready? Thumbs up?
Yes.
All right, here we go.
Fiesta.
In 1, 2, 3.
Fiesta
Filipinas! Give yourselves a round of applause, everyone.
Now that's the end of the Fiesta Filipinas event. Happy Lami-lamihan! Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!